and welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically answer all your product queries with the help of an amazing WhatsApp agent. So here on the screen you can see a WhatsApp agent, that means a WhatsApp AI assistant that I've already created for my own business using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works for my business by simply sending a WhatsApp message on my business WhatsApp number. So now here to send this message, I'm going to use my another WhatsApp account, and for now let me take you there. So this is my another WhatsApp account and this is my business WhatsApp number. So I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I need help. And here you can see we have received the message as, I'm here to help you, what you need assistance with. So I'm going to ask some basic FAQs that I received from my customers to see how actually this AI assistant replies to all my customer queries. So the first question is, what do you offer? And here you can see we have received a proper answer where we have received the variety of hydration products that my companies offer. So here you can see the varieties, and in the last it says, if you need more information about any specific product, just let me know. So let's ask them another question as, what is storage and the shelf life? And you can see we have received the proper answer for this question as well. Now I'm going to ask another question as, can I drink Electro Plus sports drink daily? And you can see we have received a proper answer for this question as well. Now I'm going to ask another question as, do your drinks contain sugar? And you can see we have received a proper answer for this question as well. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing WhatsApp agent that I've created for my own business. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing agent for your own business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. So if you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here to connect your own number, you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the another one is manual token connect. So WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this method to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below for the same. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. Alright, so as you all know that we are going to create a WhatsApp AI assistant for our business. So for that I'm going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI assistant. Okay, so now here in this AI assistant, you can see the total number of AI assistants, number of active AI assistants, and number of inactive AI assistants in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here to add a new assistant, you need to click on this add AI assistant button. Then here you need to give the name, and after that you need to click on this add AI assistant button, and it will direct you to the assistant flow window like this. So as you all know that I have already set up a WhatsApp AI assistant for my own business. So in this video, I'm going to give you a small brief of how to create this AI assistant for your own business without wasting your time. Alright, so now you have to getting directed towards this window. You need to select the instruction type first by clicking on this drop down menu. So here you can select the custom prompt if you want to add your own prompt, or else you can select some predefined examples such as AI agent, customer support agent, and many more. For now I've selected the AI agent, and as soon as I've selected the instruction type, automatically some basic instructions are updated over here in this particular field. You can add it more as per your requirement. Then comes the AI configuration, and the first one is temperature. It says that how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So here I wanted to receive more focused answers from my assistant, so I've set it as 0.4, but you can set it accordingly. Then comes the select AI to use. So I've selected the AI as OpenAI, and for the model I've selected GPT-4o Mini from the drop down. You can select it accordingly. Then comes the API key. So it says OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So by clicking on this hyperlink available over here, it is going to direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my OpenAI account in the same browser. Alright, so now you have to reaching out to the API keys window. You need to click on this create new secret key, and here you need to give a name to your key. Then you need to select the project, and after that you need to click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive the API key. You need to copy that key and you need to add it over here in this particular field. After adding the API key, you need to click on this connect button, and automatically your key will be saved in your WhatsApp AI assistant. Alright, then comes the AI assistant settings. So the first one is header message. So here to add a header message, you need to turn on this button. Then here you need to add the message in this particular field. So it says enter the header text to append at the top of messages. Maximum of 60 characters are allowed. Same goes with the footer message as well. I don't want to add any header or footer message, so I'm going to turn them off. Then comes the stop keywords. So it says enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's understand the settings with the help of an example. Let's suppose that I want to add the stop keyword as human. So for that I'm going to type the keyword first, then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now whenever my customer is going to drop this particular keyword on my WhatsApp chat, then instantly my assistant is going to stop replying to that WhatsApp chat further, and it is going to get intervened. That means only a human can reply to that WhatsApp chat further. Alright, this is how stop keyword works in the case of this WhatsApp AI assistant. Then comes the retry attempt. So it says specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So basically here you can specify the number of attempts that you want to give to your customer to get a proper reply from your AI assistant. For now I'm going to turn it off. Then comes the fallback message. So it says enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So basically whenever your API is not responding correctly, then automatically this fallback message will be sent to your customer's WhatsApp chat. So here I've used a default fallback message where in the end I have added my support ID saying feel free to ask at support@test.com. You can add your fallback message as per your requirement. This basically happens in the API key expiration. Alright, then comes the knowledge source. So it is the most important section of your WhatsApp AI assistant. By adding a knowledge source in your WhatsApp AI assistant, your assistant is going to reply to all your customer queries very correctly and promptly. So I've already created a knowledge source for my own business in this Google Docs, where you can see I've added about my company, who we are, our mission, what we offer, also all the product details with some basic FAQs that I received from my customers and their proper answers, and some other details as well. So now after creating this knowledge source, you need to download this file either in the PDF format or in a plain text format, because only these formats are supported in Pabbly Chatflow. So I've already downloaded the file in a plain text format, and also I've uploaded the file in my AI assistant. You can see it is available over here. So here to upload the file, you need to click on this option, and from here you need to select the file that you want to upload. After that you need to click on this open, and automatically your file will be uploaded over here like this. Alright, now here let's move forward to the assistant interface. So the first one is header display subheading name. So basically here you need to add your brand name. I have added mine, that is Pure Sip Hydration Co. Then comes the header display subheading name. So I've used a default subheading that says we are online and happy to assist you, and you can see it is displayed over here like this. You can add it accordingly. Then comes the initial messages. It says enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add only 2 initial messages. You can see one is added by default that says hi there, how can I help you today. You can simply remove this initial message and you can add 2 initial messages as per your requirement. Then comes the display the powered by Pabbly label. You can see it is displayed over here like this. So now here to disable this label, you need to click on this drop down, and from here you can select the option of disable. For now I'm going to keep it as enable only. Then comes the footer text and footer link. So it says you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. And for the footer link, it says footer text will turn as link if you add link. If it does not add link, it will be shown as text only. So basically businesses use footer text and footer link to add the privacy policy, hyperlink in their assistants. But if you don't want to create a hyperlink, then you can simply add a footer text and it will be shown as text only. Here I've used the sample details. Then comes the user first message. So it says this message will be sent to WhatsApp as initial message from the user. So as you all know that I started my conversation with my assistant as, hey, I need help. So this is my user first message over here. Alright, then comes the styling section. So under this you can style your assistant as per your requirement. You can change the theme mode to light or dark. I'm going to keep it as light only. Then you can change the assistant shape to circle, square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle only. Then you can change the assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button colors and many more. For now I have used the basic ones, but you can update it accordingly. Then you can add a header profile picture, assistant profile picture and a background picture in your assistant as well. For now I have not uploaded any media. Alright, so this was the entire process of creating the WhatsApp agent for your own business. And now here to creating this AI assistant, you need to activate this assistant by enabling this button. And after that you need to click on the save AI assistant button to save the entire process that we have performed till now. Alright, so now after saving the AI assistant, let me tell you that you can also embed this AI assistant on your website by clicking on this embed button, and here you're going to receive the script code. You need to copy this code and you need to paste it on your website as well. Alright, this is the embed option. And now after creating this AI assistant, let me tell you that you also need to assign this WhatsApp AI assistant to your WhatsApp chats. So here to assign this assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk, what you need to do is that you need to click on the settings, and from here you need to select inbox settings. For now I'm going to open it in a new tab. Now here are this inbox settings, you need to scroll a little down, and in the last you can see the option of AI auto reply settings. From here you need to enable the AI auto replies. Then you need to select the contact list on which you want to assign the assistant. After that you need to select the assistant that you want to assign, and then you need to click on the save, and it is going to assign your WhatsApp assistant to all the contacts who lie under this contact list. This was how you can assign this WhatsApp AI assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk. Now let me tell you that you can also assign this WhatsApp AI assistant to your WhatsApp chats individually. So for that you need to access this inbox section, and then you need to select the chat. After that you need to turn on this button, and from the drop down you need to select the assistant that you want to assign. And this is how you can assign a WhatsApp assistant to your WhatsApp chat individually as well. Alright, so with this we have successfully learned the entire process of creating a WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such WhatsApp automations. And also if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of WhatsApp automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price and related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.